Hello and welcome. My name is Raj Kiblani and I am from Vilas Javadekar Developer. If you are looking for investment and would like to earn a rental income, then Vilas Javadekar Developer has introduced a new project which is Super Utility Real Estate in Wakad PCMC. Let me share a success story first. Vilas Javadekar Developer has launched 3 projects of SURE which is fully sold out. First in Hinjewadi Phase 1. Second is Hinjewadi Phase 2 and third in Wakad. Now, this is 4th project of SURE in Wakad near Indira College and Indira School, which is town center. This is commercial project which is fully road touch. If you talk about the location is amazing, which is very close to Mumbai-Pune highway, Bane, Balewadi, Tathawade, Hinjewadi, Pune, metro station and major vicinities like school, colleges, hospital, bank, ATMs, upcoming Phoenix Mall and West Pune upcoming World Trade Center and Eon IT Park is next door. So this is amazing for the location. Coming to the project, this is 14-story tall building which is ground and first is going to be your retail and above second floor all are co-living commercial units. So these units are 185 square feet of carpet and 275 square feet of sellable area. And the cost of these units are very low ticket size. So this entire building is pre-leased to Stenza. Who is Stenza? Stenza is a property management company who take care of entire building, housekeeping, maintenance, electricity bill and any other expenses will be taken care by Stenza operator. Looking at the price, special price for this festival season is 25.95 lakh for a small low ticket price investment. So investor will also get a rent of 11,925 rupees per month. And there is a special offer of no pre-EMI till possession wherein BJ will reimburse your EMI, pre-EMI which is interest portion only at 7.25% interest rate. Your rent will increase by 15% after every 3 years. And ROI, if you talk about this investment, is 5.5%. If you are looking for more returns or high return, then there is another offer wherein if you are not taking any commercial loan, then you have to pay 50% upfront and rest of the 15% as per construction schedule. In that, the price is going to be 23.95 lakh. Rent is going to be same 11,925 rupees per month from Stenza operator. So the good thing is there is no pre-EMI, no maintenance, no tenant headache and no any other expenses. Isn't it attractive? So if you are looking for a serious deal, then don't miss the golden opportunity because renovate short and deal is very hot. Booking amount is 1 lakh rupees. All you need to do is you can ask our sales manager to get in touch with you and you can do online booking also. We have done most of the bookings through overseas out of Pune because of online. In the pandemic, we have sold 950 units in 3 different locations and this is new location, Wakad location. That's the 4th project. So don't miss the deal. Do not delay. If you have any queries, feel free to ask us. This deal is valid till 30th November 2020. After that, the price is going to be 27 lakh rupees without any offers. So do not delay, don't miss the deal. Try to make this investment as soon as possible by paying 1 lakh rupees booking amount. Thank you so much.